Now, Weller, I'm not going to play any gin with you.
For God's sake, Fonzie, come on.
I mean it.
Alright, don't play. Go back in there to all those glassy-eyed old bastards.
God, you're cynical.
It's not cynical, it's a fact. I'm just looking to mind my own business.
And you've got a horrible temper. And a sarcastic streak.
So what? If I were you, I wouldn't be talking about anybody else's shortcomings.
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, neither of us is going to win any popularity contest out here on Visitors Day.
Oh, I see. No one visits me, so I'm an evil person. Just what are you driving at, Weller?
Why didn't your son come to visit you?
I told you, he lives in Denver. I thought you understood that.
Then why don't you live in an old age home in Denver? Or you'd think at least he'd come to see that you are comfortable and it's a decent place.
I don't want to talk about this anymore. The Sunshine Ladies are going to be here tonight. I think I'll go in and talk to them for a while.
What's it gonna be? Gin or the Sunshine Ladies?
Oh, I think I should go in.
Hell, they're not gonna be here in an hour or more!
Still, I think I'd better.
Alright, goddammit, go ahead. I don't think you can stand it in there. The same damn empty look on face after face. You ought to see them the day they make the bed linens. Maybe you have. All lined up on their wheelchairs like rows of wrinkled pumpkin heads.
Well, maybe we can play a few hands. You're just gonna pester me till I play anyway.
Well, what the hell else is there to do?
Not much, I guess.
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, and 11 for you.
Now, if I win, don't you shout at me.
I'm fully expected to win, and I promise to my level best not to rant and rave about it.
Well, now, I'm going to hold you to that. You know, something used to worry me sick when I was working.
What's that?
Now, this really is silly, but I was always afraid I was going to misspell a word.
Now there's another fear for you.
It's true. I had to work after I divorced Walter. I worked as an apartment manager. Of course, I didn't have any education to speak of.
Well, you've got a good mind.
Still, I was always afraid they'd find out.
Find out what?
Well, I put down that I graduated high school.
For the Lord's sake, who cares whether you graduated high school or not? My God, how old are you anyway?
71.
71? And you are afraid someone's trying to find out that 50 years ago you didn't graduate with a class? My God, Foncia.
Weller?
You've got gin.
Yes.
I knew it. I'm stuck with it. You know that when you get gin, you're supposed to put the discard face down?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not a big deal, it's just the way the game is played. That's all. Let's see. 8 plus 25 gives you 33. And I get my customary goose egg.
Weller, I can't help it. I'm sorry.
Don't you be sorry for me, for Christ's sake.
I wish you could win one.
You play your best, damn it. I'm not going to let you try to lose to appease poor Weller. I'm one of the best damn gin players you'll ever seen. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11. And I for sure don't need any help from you.
All right, Weller. Transferred.
What?
Transferred.
What the hell are you talking about?
How many R's are there in the word transferred?
Transferred? 2. 3? What the hell?
3. There are 3 R's in the word transferred. I have to look that word up every time I spelled it for 25 years. Of course, you get a lot of people transferred in the apartment business.
You are not paying attention to what you're doing.
Yes, I am too.
You just gave me the jack of hearts.
Well, I can't use it.
I know. But I picked the jack not more than 30 seconds ago. You knew I was keeping jacks, so why you give me another?
Because I'm not keeping jacks.
Well, I've got the gin. You'll be pleased to know that your little plan worked.
What plan? In the name of the Lord.
I told you not to lose on purpose, by God, and I meant it. I don't need you to let me win.
I'm not letting you win. Ooh, I wish you could see yourself right now, Weller.
Where are you going?
If you could see yourself, you wouldn't act this way.
I said, where do you think you're going?
It's late, Weller. I think we should go in.
You sit right back down here, Foncia. We are nowhere near quitting. In fact, we are just getting started.
Besides, you said you wouldn't get this way.
I'm not getting anywhere. All I'm asking you to do is play the cards you normally do and try to win.
Weller, I don't like this. I think you should see one of the doctors when they come by.
Hand me those cards over there.
Maybe the doctor could give you some pills.
I worry about the doctors. You play the cards and you play them right. Foncia, I'm going to get to the bottom of this. No. We are going to get to the bottom of this because you are going to help me. What we are going to do is we are going to find out what exact force is at work here. There must be a reason that you constantly draw precisely the card you need. And you do by hell and overtime. I'm going to find out what that reason is. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11.
Weller, I'm not feeling well.
Play your cards, goddammit! I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Please play your cards.
This is ridiculous.
I don't care if it's ridiculous or not. Discard. Now I'm going to discard. And Foncia will pick it up, won't you? She did. I told you she would. Didn't I tell you she would?
Weller, who are you talking to?
To myself, to me and my little man over here. You see, there is a little man sitting right over here. Now I'll discard. And it's going to be the exact card Foncia wants. What did I tell you? Christ, she controls my mind.
Oh, Lord.
This time, I'll trick her. Going to discard this card. And no, at the last moment, I change my mind. And discard this card. And she doesn't pick it up. By God, I think I found the answer. You have been reading my mind, haven't you, Foncia? What are you, some sort of witch? No. That's not it. I know what it is. Divine intervention. That's what it is. Divine intervention.
Weller, stop it.
You've got it, haven't you? You've got gin.
No, Weller, I don't have gin.
You've got to say it when you get it. Now, I'll be damned if you're sitting right over there with gin in your hand and waiting for me to go out.
Believe me, I'll tell you. I need one more card, and when I get it, I'll tell you.
Well, sir, you won't be getting any more help from me.
Well, I've got it. There it is, gin. Now can we quit?
Who gave you that card? I want to know who gave you that card. God gave you that card. Didn't God give you that card?
Yes, Weller, God gave me that card.
Don't you patronize me, you bitch!
Just who do you think you're talking to, man?
All right, I shouldn't have called you that.
I'm not sitting here and have you call me names.
No, don't go. I said I'm sorry, that ought to be enough.
I've had enough of this whole thing.
I said don't go.
I'm gonna call one of the nurses.
No, wait a minute. What are you doing that for? Call one of the nurses. What are you going to tell the nurse? I'm being held hostage by a maniac who's forcing me to play gin?
Well, I ought to tell her something.
One more hand. Just one more hand.
This is so upsetting.
We'll play this one more hand and then we can go in. Come on, Franz, yeah? I promise this will be the last hand. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I hope this is quick.
You mean I didn't deal you a perfect hand? I must be slipping.
Just play your cards, Weller.
Just play your cards, well, are we getting tough?
Not tough, just tired. Very tired.
All you've got to do is, God damn it! All you've got to do is win this line quickly and we can go in. Son of a bitch! I'm talking about the cards.
No, you're not.
Come on, for Christ's sake. God damn it!
God, every second breath you draw has to be a curse word, doesn't it?
Shit. You've got it, haven't you? You've got gin. God damn it. Say it! Say it!
Gin.
You can say it louder than that, I can hardly even hear you.
Gin! God damn it, gin!
Alright, we can go in.